Hi students, today again I am here to discuss the functions of managements. So slowly, day by day, we are proceeding through our first units, that is nature and significance of management. So today we'll discuss about the functions of managements. It is very simple and easy to remember. That is, there are basic five functions are there of management. Now these functions are what like why these functions are essential, or what is the importance of these functions, you can say, for means for smooth functioning of any business enterprise or any organizations. The functions of management are very essential, or they play an important role for the smooth functioning of any business organizations or any institutions, you can say. Now these functions are five functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. So these are the basic five functions by which the managements do its functioning in an organization. Now what are these functions? Now planning, first function is the planning functions. So you can say uh, planning is the basic function or basic functions of management that involves deciding on what to be done, how to be done, whom to be done. So you can say planning is the futuristics in nature. It is a continuous process fills the gap between the present and the future. So established a you can say objectives of the organizations, and determines what to be done in what manner. So these are the things that are being included in a first function called planning. Planning gives you the uh, you can say objectives to determine the means to achieve these objectives. For example, you can uh, say for example, in order to carry a manufacturing of paper, the manager has to find out the various suppliers for material, and then you can say tools and equipments for which it is required for the maintenance of the quality, etc. So this is called the planning. Next, number 2 is organizing. Now what is organizing? Organizing is the second functions, you can say, which is done by the management's organizational objectives. Then you can say the manager has to determine the various activities and the resources required to fulfill the planned objectives. So organizing, in simple, I can say it is that functions of management which is by which the managers are gathering together all those requirements or all those ingredients to achieve the objectives that are being planned in the by the process of planning functions. Very simple. Then this organizing also helps how to gather the various uh, groups of activities and help the overall objectives, that is total objectives, and find the goals of the organization. So this is called the organizing. Number 3 function is called staffing. Now see, after planning you will organize the various tools and equipments, or you can say ingredients, and number 3 is the staffing. Staffing function is also a very important function, as because whenever you plan and you gather the things, but who will do the work? That I have said in very beginning only. Planning function decide what is to be done, by whom is to be done, or by how it is to be done. So whom means this, the people, those who are required in the organizations, and for bringing those people, the activities is said to be as a staffing. That means staffing, in simple sense, you can say finding the right man to the right job. So this is the function, or this is the meaning of the word called staffing, finding the right person to the right job. So it is the most important functions of the management that involves, you can say, recruitment, selection, placement, training, and development of the employees. That means you will, by the functions of staffing, you will bring or you will find the men, you will recruit them. That means you will bring to the organizations, you will select among the various people or various men, then you make them placement, then you provide training, and then you uh, think for their development. So this is the third function called staffing. And the fourth function is the directing. Now what is this function called directing? See, after planning, organizing, staffing and directing is that function of management which involves leading, guiding, supervising, and motivating the employees to perform their job efficiently in order to achieve the organization goals. So this directing function has nothing but playing an important role with to motivate the employees to do their work efficiently and effectively. So it helps the workforce by the means of the supervisor, inspector, as I said, in the lower level of management, so that they guide them, they supervise them, they direct them to do the work according to the plan and achieve the organizational goal. So this is the uh, fourth functions. And the fifth function is controlling. Now what is this controlling? So whenever planning, organizing, staffing, directing has been done, and the last and the very important functions of the management is called the controlling. Now it involves comparing the actual performance with the planned performance or planned, you can say, standards. You can, means whatever the things are being planned in the first function of planning will be controlled or will be you can say analyzed by the help of this fifth function called controlling. Controlling, by the means of controlling, it will compare the performance, real performance or the actual performance of the employees with the with the standards that are being set beforehand in the process of planning. So it will help, so controlling helps the management to trace the track of working and find if any deviation is there, then to make them correction. So this is the fifth function of management called controlling. Now this side, as you can see, I have shown you a diagram like. So this diagram shows that management functions are not a still function or a single stand functions. These functions are, you know, a continuous process. As I have said in the very beginning, planning is a futuristic and a continuous process. So that is why the management functions is also a continuous process. It is having a synchronized continuous process, or you can say cyclical process. Now these five functions will always have the cyclical sequence by which the functions of management are being done. That means planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. So this is the cyclical process or a continuous process. Planning will followed by organizing, organizing will followed by the staffing, staffing will followed by the directing, and directing will followed by the controlling, and again the planning. So that what I want to mean, that it doesn't mean that if you do the planning then you can do the directing, then controlling, then staffing, then this one called what, organizing. No, you cannot do in this way. It is a process. This process is a planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. So I hope you have some ideas regarding the function of management. Thank you. We'll discuss in the next class about the coordination.